Gucci Girl _ 211 asks, can I call you daddy? Well, cut that.
My name is the Donut Daddy. This morning, I'm craving a nice, warm, hot coffee. Something to wake me up a little bit. Get the day going. So come with me, let's get a coffee, tantalize the senses, wake up the mind and the soul. It's a beautiful day here today. Good old Melbourne. Let's go down for a little walk through town and get a refreshing beverage. A hot little coffee. I always got to start my day with a nice coffee. Usually I make them at home. Today, we're going down the laneway and we're going to go get it. Also, I got a big surprise for you guys. Today, we're going to be having a little sweet little picnic. I'm going to be answering some of your craziest questions. Sit tight, strap in, and enjoy the ride.
Prosciutto, cream cheese, nice. 1-star health rating. I'm gonna be making that fresh lemonade. Zesty, sweet, salty. All right, so we've got the goods. Now it's time to make something very tasty for our sweet little blackberry cheesecake. Nice blackberries, perfectly sweet in season. I'm gonna go ahead and puree 190 grams. Strain those sweet blackberries. Caster sugar, 2½ tablespoons. Corn flour. I'm gonna cook that for 5 minutes. Once it starts to boil, just let it boil for a minute. I'm gonna put that in the fridge until things firm up a little bit more. Graham crackers. In Australia, they're called nice. We're gonna crush those to a fine paste. Cracker, melted butter, 80 grams of caster sugar as well. Little cream cheese, bite size cake. Really squeeze that together. It's gonna create a nice hot, crunchy base. Bake that 5 minutes. That thick cream cheese filling that I know you're dying to get inside of you. 340 grams of cream cheese, flour, 12 grams, and also 100 grams of caster sugar. Oh my God. Getting it nice and combined. Sour cream, 50 grams. 2 big in-season room temperature eggs. Crack that into your mix. Soften the mix up. So that's our mix. I've added a little bit of purple color. And let's get baking. So now it's time for some delicious little finger sandwiches. So we've got our cream cheese. We're gonna put that on the base. I'm gonna spread that evenly. Grab yourself a piece of prosciutto, put that on there. Sweet, tasty figs, basil, ignite your senses. And then we chop that into quarters because the little finger sandwich fits right in your mouth. Just like that. On each. To complement our delicious finger sandwiches and our nice little cheesecake for dessert. Got some fresh lemons that I'm gonna squeeze. I'm gonna make some pink lemonade. Let's get it. I'm gonna squeeze that motherfucker. Strain your lemon, but a bit of raspberry puree. This is how we're gonna make ours pink. Set up our little picnic. Got our picnic blanket. Lemonade. Isabella Paganos asks, what's your favorite dessert? Well, let's just say it's got to be sweet. It's got to be a little bit salty. I like my desserts either super light and fluffy or thick and easy to fit in my mouth. I like myself something with a bit of peanut butter crunch, a bit of smooth dark chocolate. Hara of the Year asks, need my eggs fertilized? Can you help? Oh, oops, I meant to ask for recipe for scrambled eggs. I can help you with that. I'm a professional with scrambling your eggs. Get yourself some juicy eggs, couple of them, whisk them up, dash of milk, add yourself a little bit of salt and pepper, whisk that up, chuck it on your pan, a little bit of butter, scramble it up good. And there you go, you got yourself a nice breakfast in bed. Seri Berry 19 asks, can you glaze my donuts? Well, the question is, not can I glaze your donut, or the question is, do you think you can handle your donut being glazed? Ila Sukos asked a whole lot of questions, but I'm only gonna answer one. Honey or money? Now this is quite a deep question. We're just gonna scratch the surface on it a little bit. I like both. I like honey. I like money. I like things that make me feel funny. Money, is it really that important? Yes. However, honey is also very important. You can't buy honey without money. That's kind of funny. Blackberry cheesecake, we're all dying to try. Let's get a bite of that. Gotta look at that. The freshness of my cream, buttery soft. I'm gonna pop that in my mouth. Thank you guys for joining me on our little picnic adventure. I hope you enjoyed some of the finger-licking goodness that we had here. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys liked about the video. Let me know what your favorite part was. And as always, have a lovely day, stay out of trouble, and have a good one.